Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SXTC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, and this is a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis, no, I didn't do that. That's a lie. I tried to trade this one. That's what I'm thinking. I tried to trade this one today, but it never failed me where I felt comfortable getting into the trade. So while I've never done this analysis before, I did actually look at the chart and do some analysis earlier on in the day while I was trying to map out some trade plans. But like I said, I never quite got filled or anything. So let's map out some levels of support because I do want to watch this one Thursday too. So I'll kind of talk out loud here and just... you can be a fly in the wall in terms of, the levels that stand out to me, at least from a trading perspective. So the first level that really, kind of stands out is that 580. You can see quite a bit of history throughout the entire course of the day where this level did indeed act as support. So acted as support there, and then once again right there. So 580, very clearly there's, quite a few people that are wanting and willing to buy whenever the price has gotten down around that area. So that would be the initial level of support. In the event the price cannot hold above that 580 mark, the next level, that I'll be keeping an eye on is that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. Right now, yeah, that's valued at $4.53, but keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that value is going to change and move just like that line is going to move. So just keep that in mind that if 580 does not hold, then you kind of got to use a little bit of gut instincts and just, well, not necessarily instincts, but you got to stay on your toes because the next level of support will be changing in value because, that is how the moving averages work. Now, in the event this is some sort of, a true bottom here in the end of this pullback period and the price starts to bounce, where are some of the levels of resistance at? First initial area of resistance, keep an eye on right here at the basically 675 mark. That was the highest it could get this afternoon. If the price can push through 675, next key level to watch after that, right up here around the $7.50 mark. So keep an eye on these couple levels. And, if the price can get up above, the 750-ish mark, then yeah, it very well could, head up to those previous highs of around 850. But one hurdle at a time. Let's first see if the price can even maintain above, 580 before we start talking about doing battle with $8.50. So crazy mover today. We'll see how this one plays out on Thursday. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.